Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you 10 ways I upgraded my Tesla using 3D printing.
As you guys know, I usually post a new 3D printing short every single day. While I love the process, but finding fresh ideas daily is a little bit challenging. This project was especially tricky because I had to find something useful that actually works for a specific car model. So let me know if this can be a solid upgrade or just more plastic trash. Alright, this is gonna be the first, and it took about less than 3 hours. It's called Wireless Charging Holder with a cute logo. I can just simply put it on for my AirPod. The thing is, you can charge it if it's just sitting at the bottom, since it is designed for phones. It's just not working. So the case needs to be raised halfway up for the charging to kick in. So charging my phone first, and then the AirPods right next to it. And there's a small storage space in here. It's a little bit messy. Sunglasses, hair claw, some random things. So I'm gonna add a small organizer tray to fix this. It would take about 5 hours, but then after I checked the review, I decided to scale up the width just to make sure the size is right. In the end, it took about 5.5 hours to print. It came out clean. I just need to remove the supports from the outer edges, and then it's ready to go. First, let's move all this stuff to the back to make some room. So as you can see, the front area is clear now, and this is where the new tray is going to sit. So basically it sits perfectly on the inner tracks. This tray slides smoothly. It works just like a drawer. So let me put the sunglass here, and a hair claw, and all the other stuff. It's not huge or anything, but it definitely saves me from this mess. And I'm gonna leave the rest of my stuff here, and we're all set. Alright, the next one is super useful too. It only takes about 30 minutes to print. So this is a sunglasses hanger for the ones I use the most. So you can clip your sunglasses right in here, and it clips right onto the sun visor, and it actually holds them very well. I don't see it falling off anytime soon. Okay, I'm all set. Time to go somewhere. I'm gonna go charge the car. The battery is kinda low. Actually, I can charge at home due to some electrical panel issues. So I go to the supercharger once a week. Since I'm out, I'm gonna go to the gym nearby as well. And today, I'm gonna explore Singapore. Maybe only like 20 minutes. And next up, I'm here to pick up some snacks to bring with me to the charging station.
I just got to the charging station, and I'm gonna kill some time here.
So for charging, it usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes. And I use the time to grab a snack or get some video editing done.
To be honest, I'm starving now.
I got a drink, some fries, and dipping sauce. And here we have this. And this took about an hour. As you can see, it's a very easy and simple design, but it's gonna be actually very useful. A straw comes first, and then just slide this print onto the straw. I got one barbecue sauce and one Chick-fil-A sauce. And I got some fries. So now I can enjoy my fries without worrying about spilling the sauce in the car. It's so convenient and delicious. Since I don't have a 3D printed trash can for the car, this will be my temporary trash spot for today. And then I have next one to show you. It takes a little over an hour. First, pop it off the plate. Clean up the supports one by one. It has a small hook right here, so it just slides right in. You can also use double-sided tape to secure it if you want. And just like that, the phone holder is complete. The phone makes it slide out more easily, so I wouldn't recommend using this while driving. Either way, you wouldn't need it because you have bigger screen. I mainly use this to prop on my phone to watch something or to record a video while I'm parked. And to be honest, this spot is better for me because it's just closer. Okay, moving on to the next one. I got something to show you. It took more than 15 hours. 2 large and 2 small parts, and just making sure the first 2 layers are set properly, especially when printing something this large, because we don't want to waste anything just in case. So I was a little nervous about this print, but it came out so clean and perfect. To assemble this small part goes right into the middle. One for the top and one for the bottom. Using the middle pieces as a core, attach the large table parts to complete the frame. That's why I could easily fit it in my bag today. With this, you can transform your car into a dining area or a mini workstation. So after a quick assembly, just hook it onto the steering wheel. I was a little worried, but it feels really solid in here. And I like the color too. Alright, now that I have my own table, it's time for a proper feast. Moving on, I'm gonna get some work done right here. I'm not sure if this table can handle a heavy laptop, but it seems great for an iPad, but no room for a mouse. So charging is almost done, so I'm gonna play a quick game until it's finished. If I'm gonna play something while waiting, this is my favorite. Now it's done, I can finally go back to home. And I made this clicker toy, and this took about an hour. I made it to play with when I'm bored in the car. Some might find it useless, but surprisingly, fidget toys actually have some great benefits. I posted a short of this about a month ago, and I didn't expect this video to take off like this, but I'm very grateful for what happened. Anyway, for the next part, let me show you something actually useful for the car. This one takes less than 2 hours. And here it is, a funnel for the car. I need to refill my washer fluid, and this is where it comes in really handy. Since I store my groceries in the front, I have to keep it spotless. So I like how practical this thing is. Filling it up just enough to see it. And this item is only for the winter season, so it's hard to show you how to use it right now, but I'll show you with a quick clip instead. I spent 4 hours to print. It looks good in multicolor. You can use it as a scraper to clear off the snow. I guess I can put this away for now. Last but not least, this one is super handy too. I actually bought a home charger to charge it at home. Like I mentioned, I cannot use it for now, but I found this print to be ready for the future. And this took less than 2 hours. Alright, it's done. And something crazy just happened. I completely forgot to take it off the plate and started a new print. And the printer head just smacked it right off the bed. So I slammed into the glass door and hit the floor so hard. Luckily, the glass didn't break, but it messed up all my settings. I had to recalibrate everything and tweak the Z offset. So guys, always double check your plate. Anyway, back to the point. This is a home charger holder. You just slide in like this to store it when it's not in use. And when charging, just give a little lift to pull it out. So you can just mount it on the wall and it will totally level up your charging experience. You can also print a wall bracket for this. So those were 10 items for the Tesla.
Which upgrade was your favorite? So, I hope you enjoyed the video.
Links for everything in the description below.
Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.